want them to all be unique, and so that when people look at them, they're not thinking, okay, who built that house?
Yeah. So starting here with the outside, man, like how'd you kind of get the inspiration for, doing the brick facade? Is this more modern farm? Like, what's the style of this home overall?
Yeah, so all my houses are unique. I start by saying that. So every house has a different point of view. I want them to all be unique, and so that when people look at them, they're not thinking, okay, who built that house?
Yeah.
With this one, I wanted to kind of scale things back from what I normally do. I'm normally more luxury traditional because my homes are Memorial, which is a more established traditional area.
Yeah.
This is more young urban city.
True.
So I wanted to like lighten it up a little bit. So on the exterior, it's brick on the front.
Okay.
And it's slurried. So
Slurried.
I never paint brick, so it's like a mortar sand mix.
Nice.
Which is like super elevated. You'll see it a lot in River Oaks and Westview. I've got the half round gutters.
Okay.
I've got the little pop outs just to give a little contrast, so it's not all just one color.
Yeah.
With the detailed siding and trim.
Mm-hmm.
And then we've got a handmade wooden garage door. So they literally just make them by hand.
That looks really unique. Definitely like that. How is it the process of even getting something like that?
Yeah, so obviously the sizing is just standard based on what your opening is. I think this one's 16 by 8. It's either 16 by 8 or 18 by 8. I think it's 16 by 8.
Yeah.
So 8 foot tall doors are a little bit better, right?
Yeah.
And then you basically send them like a concept. I just Google wooden garage door facades.
Yeah.
And then I find the one that I like, and then I send it to them, and then they send me a proposal, and then they make it in 7 days.
Nice. I can tell already from like what you stated, very detail oriented. Do you feel like with luxury homes, like details matter?
I think that's all that matters.
Yeah.